Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Are you looking for a new medicine cabinet? I am so in love with the soft closing hinge of this cabinet door from Keonjinn. This mirrored cabinet was the perfect upgrade to provide a beautifully clear reflection and the extra needed storage to this space. The packaging was very well done, and I liked that they included almost all the supplies that were needed. Yes, there was some assembly required, but with the instruction manual and especially with the video tutorial, this was really easy to customize and install. This sturdy framework is a lightweight aluminum, and I appreciate that it is resistant to moisture and rust, so I know that it's going to last. I truly enjoy these freely adjustable shelves to get just the right height for any storage need, and I think you will too.
And that's my point of view.